Houston, we have a problem. What's the problem, Johnny? I want some cereal, but we don't have milk. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, today we're going to talk about Terra Luna staking. All right, guys, we are literally going to show you how to bake, stake, and Drake this coin. All right, guys, actually, we're just going to show you how to Drake this coin. So, yeah, you can stake it, but I think we're going to Drake it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and talk about it. What are we going to do? But first off, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying, yeah, bro, I subscribed. And I'll be like, yeah, bro, fire. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's the classic response, man. But yeah, seriously, guys, I appreciate all the viewers, all the liking, subscribing, all that junk inside. Okay. Anyways, guys, that and the second thing, you guys do those things. Why do we do them? Well, earn $100 in free BTC, sponsored by yours truly. So if you guys want to earn $100 in free BTC, you guys got to do those 3 things, and you guys got to leave a comment below saying you subscribe. This is Jeff. He's my mic. Mic test. Yeah. He gets in the way sometimes, but it's okay. So in addition to the BTC giveaway, we also have, just like inside our community, I'm not going to participate in it, guys, trust me. But inside our community, there is a Ethereum address in the link in the description, or not in the link, but in the description below. It's the Ethereum address there. Any wallet that sends Ethereum there will automatically randomly be selected. So if you're selected, you get all the Ethereum in that wallet. Right now, we're up to like 0.2 ETH or something like that, or 0.02 ETH. I don't know. It's whatever. I don't remember what it is, but you can view it on Etherscan. It changes every single day. So I see like a bunch of different wallets in there. So we'll see who wins. All right, guys, enough talking. And I'm going to sign off and say bye-bye. Let's get to the screen. All right. So now we guys on the screen. So you guys see a bunch of junk and like Coinbevy, Bridge Tower, Stake Systems, Drake Lake Bake Cake. No, that's not there, but that would be cool if it was. So we're going to show you how to Drake this coin. This is on the Terra Station website. I'm not going to use Terra Station because I like to download the app and not have to upload my wallet every single time I come and stake. So what I do is I go directly on the app. This is the app right here. Don't get dizzy. I'm just kidding. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up, and there are a couple of things I want to show you here. First off is staking return. What does staking return mean? Well, it just basically means the interest you are going to be earning. This fluctuates, guys. This is 8.89% per year. This is average. So if you want to see like the daily rates, this will show you like the daily rates. So right now, currently paying 0.01% per day. Now you're like, what the pants? That's horrible. Well, actually, to be honest with you, Johnny, 0.01% is better than your bank pays all year. So, yeah. So why don't you stake Terra Luna for one day and you're solid? No, guys, not financial advice. You could lose all your money. You probably will lose all your money. And I'm wrong 99.99% of the time plus 100. So 199% of the time, I'm completely wrong. So now we are going to show you the dash. So now we are going to go to the staking. This is the staking. This is where the money happens. So right now we got $1.04. I'm just kidding, guys. This is 1.4 Luna in rewards. This added up maybe over, I don't know, what was it? 3 days, 4 days or something like that. And you just say, yeah, bruh, I want to withdraw my rewards. So you're like, yeah, bruh, I'm going to withdraw the rewards. And I'm going to be like, I don't like wasting Luna, so I'm going to waste some UST. Actually, I'm going to waste some I can't waste HKT because I don't know what the pants that junk is. But it's some sort of stable coin. I do know that. I just don't know what type. I'm familiar with the ecosystem. So, all right. So let's go and enter our password. Are you guys ready? All right, boys and girls. I withdrew the stuff and I spent my dirty fiat. And I'm going to refresh this page. There's like this little arrow button up here. You guys can't see it because my screen cuts it off for some reason. I don't know. It's probably just me, user error. But now you guys can see all my rewards are gone. What the pants? Where did they go? Oh, well, look 3 squares over and it's over here. Cool. Available for delegation. Great, Johnny. Guys, I've made a couple mistakes with this, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I did. So I'm going to tell you guys the school of hard knocks, and you guys are going to listen And well, if you listen, you're probably going to make the same mistakes I do. Don't do what I did, guys, because there is a 21-day unbonding period. If you don't know what that means, it basically means you're like roasted and getting left out on the street and getting no rewards, no airdrops, no junk. Guys, that's the reason why also the reason why I stake this junk is you literally get airdrops. I'm going to show you the different websites and a cool website you can use that literally says, bro, you're getting airdrop because you're staking and supporting the system. Bro, that is fire sauce. All right, so dudettes, here we get to it. So we got Stake Systems and Luna Station. Why did I pick these two? Well, guys, don't pick these two. Pick someone else because I picked these. So you should pick someone else because that's what you should do. You have this number right here. Not these three numbers, just this number. This is 0%. Why do I like this? Well, it's a 0% commission. I like Stake Systems. I've been to their website. I've seen their information. I actually stake with them on another network as well. So it's kind of like, oh, well, they did good for me over there. I'm going to use them here. Same thing. Well, Luna Station is only on Terra Luna, so that's why I only have a little bit. Now you guys are like, why didn't I just throw all my eggs in one basket? Well, guys, I've been there, done that. I've staked all my tokens in one pool before, and it's gone down. If you don't know what that means, it basically means you get no money. So if you guys don't like money, well, then stake it all into one and then just pray for the best. Well, actually, praying is all you need to do. But when you stake it here, then you're like, great, I'm getting 13.25%. But what the pants? I was on the dashboard and it said 8.89%. Where's this coming from? Well, guys, there's transaction fees. Those transaction fees, when you're staking, you get a portion of them. That's also why I'm very bullish on ETH 2.0. You're staking ETH, you're going to get transactions. Guys, by the way, if you're staking on like Coinbase or Binance or any of those, get your tokens off there. Because if they hold more than 51%, actually, no, I think it's like 40% of the network, they can perform an attack on the Ethereum network. If you guys like the value of your tokens, well, you should work on decentralizing it. Don't hurt the calls, help the calls. That's the point of it. And you won't get the fees from trading. And what the pants? Ethereum is the most used network. Why the pants would you not stake it? What the shirt? All right, so we're going to use Stake Systems. Because I'm already, actually, no, I got a bunch on Stake System. So I'm going to do Luna Station. And I'm going to say, great, I'm going to go ahead and delegate here. So let's click Delegate. I already have 1.5 tokens. Don't donate or delegate all of your tokens, guys. That is probably the dumbest thing you can do. Well, actually, no, it's not the dumbest, but it's not a very smart thing to do. So we're not going to do that. And I'm not going to delegate in this scenario. Well, actually, no, I'm going to delegate here because I've already done the B Luna video. So we're going to go ahead and delegate it. So I'm going to do I'm going to get risky. I'm going to do 1.3 just to be on the safe side, just in case. And the reason I do this is because, bro, first off, if you don't have any Luna, you can't do transaction fees unless you have these stable coins. Which one should I use? KRT, SDT, or US? No, not UST. I got a lot of those. So let's use some Cachatories. I don't like Cachatori. So I'm going to go ahead and delegate this junk. Well, apparently I didn't have enough Cachatories in my wallet. So we're going to retry this. We're just going to do KRT because I know I have enough of those jokers. All right, so the Cracker tokens worked. Awesome. I like crackers. So we just delegated our Luna. That's done. Now you guys are like, okay, well, my delegator just went down. What the pants? This is awful. Well, just go to the staking. Do not unstake it. I've done this before and I had to wait 21 days and I was sitting there like, dude, this is so annoying. I am about to destroy someone. And I ended up not destroying anyone. But yeah. So you click on any of the delegators you want. So you can say, yeah, bro, I want to delegate. Now you guys are like, wait, you got no tokens to delegate. Well, that's okay, guys. I'll just make them appear out of nowhere. Oh, I got Stakeo, Stake Systems, and all this junk inside that trunk. And you just select how much you want to delegate, and you do next, and it'll re-delegate for you. That's it, guys. That's all you need to know. Thanks for staying. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in... Just kidding, guys. We're showing you how to Drake these tokens, remember? That's how you stake them. Now we're going to show you how to Drake them after we show you how to bake them. But we're going to show you a couple more things on this. Make sure you guys delegate to the ones with a low amount of voting powder. A low amount of voting powder Make sure you delegate to others. That way it's well decentralized. Like this guy, he's got a lot of voting powder. Let's get rid of him. Let's destroy him. No, I'm just kidding. 6% is not too bad, but it's not too good. So yeah. Also look for something with 100% uptime. These check marks are a good thing. You want one with check marks. So I did one with a check mark and one without it because I was like, man, this is pretty risky. Let's check it out. No, I checked out their website. I like their information. I checked out the Telegram. It was a lot of fun. And you can check that junk out by clicking on the stake systems, and they have like links to their website and all the information. So you can view the profile on Terra validators. That's really all the check system means. So it's kind of like that verified check on Twitter. It's the same concept. Just like I don't even have a verified, well, actually I think I do, but I don't even know what the verified check is. But I have a Twitter, but I barely even use that junk. So another cool feature, the reason why I like the Terra wallet is you can automatically swap your tokens directly on the wallet. So I can say, hey, yeah, I want to swap some UST for some Luna, and you could do that. Just be aware that you are going to have some fees and junk. So it's going to let you know, like, bro, you got some fees, and this is the market. If you want to go directly to TerraSwap, this is like their little TerraSwap thing they got. If you're like, bro, I got so many tokens, I don't know what to do. You can also trade your synthetic stonks on here, so keep that in mind as well. If you're like, bro, I don't know what to do. I got like 400 tokens, and I do not have the patience to trade all these tokens. That's okay. Just say swap multiple coins, and you can swap them all. You can select all the tokens you want to swap. All you do is check this box and say, yeah, I like cookies, I like caterpillars, I like United States telephone poles, and I like crackers, and I like something extra tasty. I like JP telephones, and I like Hot Wheels cars and trucks. All right, so you guys get the point. You can swap them all, and you can select the fee you want to swap it to or what token you want to swap it to. So like I can swap all these tokens to some Luna. And I like Luna. Luna's my favorite because it's like on the moon. So yeah, that's really all you need to know about that section. So now we're going to just like wipe out this Terra Station thing and go to the airdrop section so you guys can check this out. Also, this is another thing. This is a pretty cool feature. You can see all these different tokens in your wallet, and you can send them to anywhere in the world. You just pick any Terra address and send it to them and give them a memo and say, happy birthday, because it's everyone's birthday every day, right? All right, so the next thing is Anchor Protocol. This is where you're going to get your airdrops. If you guys don't want to stake your coins, you can Drake your coins here. When you Drake your coins, it's so awesome because you can use Luna to make B Luna, or you can be like, no. Actually, no, that's the baking mechanism. The Draking mechanism is how we did it in the video yesterday. When we took the Luna and swapped it for B Luna on Terra Station, and they basically paid us to get some B Luna. And we took our B Luna and we deposited it over here, and now we're providing liquidity and got a loan on this. We then took our said loan and deposited it in the earn section, and now we're earning money on our loan at 18%. Sure, we're paying 17.25% to borrow, but we're earning 215%. Huh, that's good. This is where you can see all your earnings. Right here. And if you guys want to claim all your rewards, you can just say, yeah, I'm going to claim all my rewards. Or you can be like, nah, dude, I'm really fickle. I don't like to do that junk. I like to do one reward at a time because I want to know exactly what I'm claiming. You could do that too. Go for it. So that's how you Drake the coin. Now we're going to show you guys the other airdrop. So like right here, boom, I can get an airdrop for some Mira tokens. I don't know. It's just because they like me. So they're going to have, I'm just going to leave it on the page because it just gives me good vibes when I come on here and I'm like, whoa, I got airdrop tokens. Well, it happens like every week. So keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, that's really it, guys. That's how you stake Drake. That's how you stake bake Drake your tokens on Terra Station. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And if you guys want to participate in that Ethereum giveaway, well, you know what to do. You send some Ethereum there and then pray for the best. It'll happen on June 30th. and I'll use a random number generator and I'll randomly select a wallet. And if your wallet's selected, then you'll get the Ethereum all in that address. All right, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys the link as well where you guys can see the airdrops to show you I'm not blowing smoke up your buns. And guys, here's the airdrop. We're about to get another airdrop on. Oh, dude, in 30 minutes, we're going to get an Anchor airdrop. As you guys can see all the airdrops happening out. But yeah, airdrop, drop. And guys, I love Terra Luna because they're launching more projects. And what do you think's going to happen when they launch a project? Well, I don't know. It happened these other 2 times. So third time's the charm. And usually the Genesis one, you get a big airdrop. So make sure when you're staking those tokens, you look for it. Or you can just Drake them. But you don't get the airdrops if you Drake them. You have to stake them, bake them, and then you can Drake them. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, just got to say thank you to the Patreons. We got Sean Bott and Tyreek L. I'm just going to call him Total Liquidity. So, TL for short, because you'll fire. And, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description to earn $100 in free BTC if you're selected. And, guys, you know how it is. Proverbs chapter 24 verses 29. Do not say, I'll do to them as they have done to me. I'll pay them back for what they did. Yeah, don't do that. Because then what if they said the same thing about you? Then it's like, nah, bruh, never ending cycle. You know that one thing, like when you hit your brother or your sister and then they hit you back and then you hit them back and then they hit you back and it doesn't end well. Eventually someone just gets their face smashed in the ground, and then that's it. Dogs, thanks for watching. All right, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice, juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.